Hello my dear students, today I am going to explain you remaining part of the fourth chapter, early states of political system. Now let us study Vaishali's Vajji state. Monarchy wished to increase their power and empire by occupying the surrounding territories. Seeing these Lichavis Vajji with their Shakya, Malla, etc., 8 or 9 tribes who established the union state for their protection was known as Vajji state. Vaishali, the capital of Lichavis, was the main center of union state. That it was named Republic of Vaishali. The state administration of the republic was governed by the Sabha. Because of it was called the republic. In republic, all the powers of house rested in the hands of the members. All the members sat in Sabha and all affairs were passed in the house by vote or unanimity. The place where meeting was held was called sanctum. The Lichavi were a clan amongst the Vajji Mahajanapada of ancient India. Vaishali, the capital and homeland of the Lichavis, was also the capital of the Vajji Mahajanapada. It was later occupied by Ajatashatru, who annexed the Vajji territory into his kingdom during the Magadha Vajji war. The Lichais have claimed Kshatriya status themselves. According to Digha Nikaya, the Lichavis were the Vasistha Gotra. Only some scattered report of the Lichavi government system survive. The introductory portions of the Kulakalinga Jataka, the Lichavis as having 7,707 Rajas. The number is one of convention and unlikely to have been exact. It does demonstrate that Lichavi, unlike most of its neighbors, was not an absolute monarchy. Ultimate authority rested with the 7,707 Raja, who met each year to elect one of their members as ruler and a council of 9 to assist him. It was a far from a modern democracy, as only a small portion of the Vajji population qualifies to vote. Those with Raja's status were only the male heads of household who belonged to the Kshatriya Varna. The elderly as well as youth were selected as the member of the state assembly. The Republican elected their president for state administration, who was chosen by election. In the republic, each member was considered as the king. Republics had their own councils in which many important issues like administration, defense, war, treaty, etc. were discussed and then decided. Any member could enjoy membership for a fixed time only. An executive committee assisted the president of the republic in the administration of the state. The seat of the Vajji administration was in Vaishali, the capital of the Vajjian confederacy. The Raja was the highest executive and judicial authority. The introductory portion of the Bhaddashala Jataka mentions a tank. The water of it was used for the Abhisheka of the Ganarajas of Vaishali. The assembly hall where these Ganarajas met for discussion was known as the Santagara. The Atthakatha mentions 3 chief functionaries of the Vajji administration: the Raja, the Uparaja, Deputy, and the Senapati. The introductory portions of the Ekapanna Jataka adds one more with it, the Banda Garika. These all are mentioned in the administrative system of the Vajji state.